Hi friends, in this video we will going to know latest sliding wardrobe design ideas and what will price for making this kind of sliding wardrobes. So friends, if you like our videos then please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. So let's begin the video. Sliding wardrobe designs are becoming increasingly popular due to their functionality and authentic appeal. And sliding wardrobes do not require extra space to open like traditional indoors, making them perfect for rooms where the space is limited or tight. This allows for better utilization for the available space. And the minimalistic design of sliding wardrobes can add a contemporary touch to the any room. They are available in various materials and finishes, allowing for customization to match the room's decor. In India, sliding wardrobes comes in various designs and materials, each offering different features and price ranges. And some common types of sliding wardrobe designs along with estimate price ranges. The first one is the wooden sliding wardrobes. These are made of solid wood or engineered wood like MDF or plywood. They often have the natural wood finishes or laminate and can include panels or glass inserts for sleek look. The price ranges are 20,000 to 1 lakh or plus. The price varies based on the wood type, design, and complexity and customization level. A basic design may be cost around 20,000 to 40,000, while high-end design can cost up to 1 lakh. And another one is the mirror sliding wardrobes. These wardrobe features mirror panels on the doors, which help to the creating sense of space and added stylish touch to your room. The price is at 30,000 to 80,000. The cost depend on the factors like mirror quality, frame materials, metal or wood, and added features such as storage and compartments. And another one is the modular sliding wardrobes. Modular wardrobes are customizable to suit your needs. They can include mixed materials, wood, glass, and mirror, and comes with pre-designed modules for shelves, drawers, and hanging spaces. The price ranges are 30,000 to 1,50,000 or plus. Modular system offer flexibility and the price depend on the customization options, the material choices and added features, LED lighting, automatic mechanism. And another one is the laminated sliding wardrobes. These wardrobes have sliding doors to covered in laminated sheets which are highly durable and comes in various finishes like matte, glossy or texture. This price ranges the 15,000 to 50,000 or sometimes increase the price. Laminate designs are affordable and widely available the prices. It's depending on the complexity of laminated use. And high glow sliding wardrobes another one. This wardrobe features high gloss finishes like lacquered glass or polished laminates that gives contemporary and sleek appearance. The price range is 35,000 to 1 lakh. High gloss finishes can elevate the design, but they also tend to be more expensive due to the specialization materials and finishes. And another one is the hybrid sliding wardrobes. These combine multiple materials like mix of wood, glass and mirror for unique and modern look. They often to the future sleek metal handles or touchless mechanism. The price is now 40,000 to 1,50,000 or plus. These designs are typically highly customizable and prices vary based on the materials and technology you can use. And aluminum sliding wardrobes. These wardrobes typically have aluminum frames with either glass or wooden panels. Aluminium is lightweight yet durable, making it practical choice for many homeowners. The price range is the 15,000 to 50,000. Basic design can start at 15,000, while premium designs with custom finishes can go up to the 50,000 or more. And glass sliding wardrobes. These wardrobes incorporate glass panels, either frosted, clear, or tinted. In the sliding wardrobes, they offer to the more modern and sophistication appearance. The price range is 25,000 to 90,000. Its prices are affected by the type of glass, use of tempered, frosted, or etc. The frame materials, metal or wooden, etc. It can custom features like LED lights. And installation is often extra cost, generally ranging from 2,000 to 5,000 depending on the complexity of the design, and custom built fees.